Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about what you should know about the parts being installed on your vehicle. So there's some nomenclature that we use when it comes to vehicle components, and we're going to kind of cover that just a little bit. And truly, to be honest with you, quality repair facilities such as the West Automotive Group, we know the right parts to recommend to put on your vehicle for the right cost savings, the right quality, the longevity it'll give you, and the components that actually work with your vehicle to keep your vehicle in great working order. There are some items. So there's OEM, which is original equipment manufacturer. OES, original equipment supplier. These are some acronyms you might hear when it comes to parts. Some of the best to use. There's aftermarket parts that on certain applications are even better, such as suspension components, etc. Remanufactured is one you may hear. On certain components we don't use new, we use remanufactured, and it could be rotating electrical, brakes, etc., computers, things like that. Other items we want to use original equipment, new. There are some components, sometimes a bent frame, etc., we will use or recommend use to save you money. Make sure you're taking your vehicle to a quality facility that makes the right recommendations.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for The Automan, Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.